In the following video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a safe nostril wax with our clients in a seated position. So if there are any barbers wanting to bring nostril waxes onto their menu and they have their clients seated, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that safely with just removing the hair from the opening of the nostril and not compromising the safety and protection of the membrane that is up the nose. Okay, so we're just going to do the nostrils. So we're just going to cleanse, just a little bit of gel cleanser on a cotton wool pad, and we're just literally wiping around the entrance of the nostril. So with this nostril wax, you can see that the client obviously has facial hair. We don't want to catch that in the wax. So I've just got a wax strip that I folded into a V, and we're just going to place that to press down any of the facial hair we don't want to catch, and then we can get our client just to hold either side, 1 and 2, just so that we protect ourselves from any wax that might catch. When we do the application for a nostril, we never put the wax up. We're just gonna, and we also never block the nostril. So we're just gonna press on the edge of the nostril, and I'm gonna almost scrape the wax, and then I can start pressing it in. So we're only working on the one side of the nostril, and we're just kind of pressing, like a pressing and packing movement to get the wax just to the hair on the inside of the nostril. And because it is a little bit thicker, it's going to take a moment longer to set. So I'm going to do an application on the other side. You press the nostril, it will just make a circle, and it is easy just to scrape that wax to the edge and then packing it in. And coming back to this side, I'm going to give it a little squeeze top and bottom of the nostril. Just a little squeeze just so that wax catches. Support the nostril and then off. Same on the other side. Just give it a little squeeze. Wonderful. So I've just got the other side of the both nostrils to do. So again, just press the top, and we're going to scrape and pack. What we don't want to do is put wax too high up and remove hair from the membrane, which is a really key area to filter as we breathe anything that we shouldn't be breathing into the body. So we do not want to remove any hair from the membrane. That's why we're just removing from the entrance to the nostril. Let's give that a little squeeze. Support the nostril with the opposite hand. And then I've just got a little bit of aloe gel just on the gloved hand that you can just work around the entrance of the nostril, and we're done.